Hi there and welcome to today's Form Time Numeracy Challenge. Your questions are coming up. First two questions. Pause as you need to. Question 2. And your third challenge question. Okay, let's go through the answers. First question. Okay, so hopefully you can see I've put some lines in here to assist. The yellow is approximately, it says to estimate, it's approximately 1/4 of the whole amount. The whole amount is 36. So 1/4 of 36 or 36 divided by 4 gives us 9. Question 2. We have some nutritional information here. And this information relates to 1/4 of a tin of fruit. Amrit eats 3/4, so she eats 3 times as much as the information that's provided for 1/4. So if we're looking at carbohydrate, we've got 12.2. We need to multiply it by 3 to give us 36.6 grams of carbohydrate. Okay, remember when we divide a shape, it must be divided into equal parts. So I've added these 2 additional lines here. So now our shape is in 8 equal parts. 6 of those parts are shaded. So we have 6 parts out of 8 in total, and we can simplify that to 3/4. Let's look at this one now. So we need to just change this a little bit. Again, we want all the parts to be equal. So if we take this gray shaded area here, we could move it, we could move it here. Okay, so now we've got one whole square that's shaded. If we do the same, let's see if I can change don't know if I can change the color. Anyway, apologies. Okay, so this small one here, we can move down to here, and we have created a whole gray shaded square. So we've got 2 gray shaded squares out of 6 squares in total, 2 over 6. Again, we need to simplify it, and that gives us 1/3. Final question. Okay, so Steve runs 5 miles in 1 hour. That means he runs 5 miles in 60 minutes. If I divide both the 5 and the 60 by 5, that tells me that 1 mile takes 12 minutes. I can then multiply that 1 by 7, which tells me that 7 miles are going to take 12 multiplied by 7, 84 minutes. Let's read the question to make sure we've answered it. How many more minutes did Enzo run compared to Steve? So if Enzo ran 84 and Steve ran 60, that gives us our answer of 24 minutes. You could also look at this slightly differently. You could look at the difference between 5 miles and 7 miles, which is 2 miles, and you could work out what 2 miles is. So if 1 mile is 12 minutes, 2 miles would be 24, and that would give you your answer of 24 minutes as well. Thank you very much.